Trust Wallet Crypto Wallet Review. Watch before using. Links to the product are available in the description below. Trust Wallet is one of the most popular decentralized crypto wallets, designed primarily for users who value security, control, and accessibility in managing their digital assets. Developed by Binance, Trust Wallet is a non-custodial wallet, which means that you and only you have access to your private keys and funds. This eliminates the risk of third-party interference, offering enhanced security for your crypto holdings. One of the standout features of Trust Wallet is its support for a wide range of cryptocurrencies, over 160,000 different assets, including popular coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Binance Coin, as well as countless ERC20, BEP2, and BEP20 tokens. This makes it an excellent choice for users who hold a diverse portfolio and want a single solution for managing all their assets. Trust Wallet also excels in its ease of use. The interface is intuitive, making it accessible for beginners, yet powerful enough for experienced users. It supports seamless in-app exchanges through decentralized exchanges, DEXs, like PancakeSwap, meaning you can trade assets without ever leaving the app. Additionally, Trust Wallet integrates with dApps, decentralized applications, allowing you to interact with DeFi, decentralized finance, platforms, NFT marketplaces, and more directly from your wallet. Security is a top priority for Trust Wallet. The wallet is open source, meaning the code is available for anyone to review, ensuring transparency and fostering trust in the community. It also employs advanced security features like biometric authentication and encrypted backup, helping to keep your assets safe. However, it's important to remember that as a non-custodial wallet, the responsibility for securely storing your private keys lies entirely with you. If you lose your recovery phrase, you lose access to your funds. Trust Wallet was built for a diverse range of users, from those who are just getting started with cryptocurrency to seasoned investors who need a secure and flexible way to manage their assets. It's particularly beneficial for anyone who values decentralized finance, as its integration with DEX and dApps provides access to a wide range of financial services without needing to trust a centralized authority. In summary, Trust Wallet is a reliable and versatile option for managing your crypto assets. Its support for a vast range of cryptocurrencies, user-friendly interface, and strong security features make it a wallet worth considering. However, always remember the importance of securing your private keys. If you're looking for a non-custodial wallet that combines functionality with security, Trust Wallet is definitely worth your consideration.